Okay, class, we're going to continue with our activities with Insta English Level 3 teacher presentation. This is unit number 4, page 62. In this page, we're going to start with speaking activity, a friendship survey. What is a survey? Well, a survey is like an encuesta in Spanish. Okay, Maria and her friend Emma are doing an online survey about friendship. Listen and complete the dialogue. So here I have a dialogue between them, Maria and Emma, and you need to complete the dialogue, okay? So let's listen and try to complete. Let's see what happened with the book. Okay, let's wait a minute.
Unit 4, Track 37, Speaking.
What about doing this survey about friendship, Emma? Let's see how much we know each other.
Okay, first question.
Do you think a friend should always judge you?
Well, I think a real friend has to listen to you and give you support whenever necessary. After all, everybody makes mistakes.
What about this one? Does a friend have to tell you the truth even when it's hard for you to hear?
I think the truth is always better than a lie, but you must choose your words carefully, not to offend your friend. Real friendship must not be about one person being the star and the other the servant.
I totally agree.
Look at this. They say here real friends should check in with one another.
My mom always says friends are like plants. They have to be watered.
Very true. That's why we are BFFs.
Okay, class, this was our our speaking activity about friendship survey. And as I told you before, you had to complete the activity. Okay? So, the idea is to do that. Maybe you have the chance or you want to listen again, you can put the video in the right moment and listen again. Now let's see. In the second part there is a functional language and there is a picture of two girls and I suppose the girls are very happy. No? Maybe they are in the city or in the park. Now, functional language is about asking for and giving opinions. And you have some phrases like do you think, or should, or has to, or must, I think, must not, must, should, shouldn't, say, says. No, can you remember the grammar before? Remember? No? It was obligation, no obligation, prohibition, and advice. No, and that is the idea. No, so you can complete this dialogue with this information. Now let's see. Class, the idea is to practice because after that you're going to have a speaking task. In this speaking task, you're going to write a dialogue between you and a friend. No? Here you have this step 1. Think about online friendship or making friends abroad. And there are two pictures. In the first one is a man with a laptop and maybe with a video conference, no? Chatting with a girl. In the second one, there is a group of persons I can see from different countries and they are happy and I suppose they're friends. No, step 2. Write about what must be done to maintain friendship ties in such context. So what do you have to do to continue being friends? That's the idea. Number 3. In pairs, write a dialogue. Follow the conversation above as a guide. And number 4. Take turns practicing your dialogue. So class, in this case, what do you have to do is to choose one of those topics, no? Friends through the internet or friends, no, in real life. That's it. And then you need to choose some functional language and use them like this conversation, so that this conversation could be a model for you. So the idea is that you are going to practice this. Okay? Take turn practicing your dialogue. So the final idea is this, that you can practice your dialogue. Okay? Well, that's all for this part of the video, and I am going to continue with another video. Thank you so much.